Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make molato whitening body milk. So the first thing we're going to be using right now, because I'm going to make 100 ml, so this is our collagen anti-tatches milk. So this can be applied directly on the skin, so that's why I'm using it. So I'm going to measure out, like, I'm going to use 20 grams of this. It's very thick, so we're going to do, okay, that's 22 grams. So the next thing we're going to add is our fruity acid multiple alpha hydroxy acid. So this will help to exfoliate where you apply it and also lighten. So I'm going to use 5 grams of this. Okay, so right here I'm going to add our carrot whitening milk inside. So I'm going to use just 5. Okay, that's actually more than 5. So next you're going to add our Please Touch Me serum. Please Touch Me serum. So I'm going to make that 20. Okay, now that's messy. Clean everywhere. So I'm going to add our serum. This is very good for the skin because it contains glycolic acid, vitamin C, and it has vitamin E, and it's also anti-tatches, so you won't react to it at all. So I'm just going to add 4 grams. So the last thing I'm going to add is our Leavening Intense Serum. Leavening Intense Serum. So I'm just going to put a few drops. Yes, that is enough. So what we are going to do is to blend this together. So let me work with my rod. So just have to mix it properly. This can be added to your cream. This can be used directly alongside with your molato soap, of course. Then you can use an exfoliating agent to renew your skin cells. So this is our yellow tone molato body milk. You can see the materials I work with are not something that is harsh on the skin, so you can decide to still add skin-free milk to it to boost it up, and glutathione fort serum. So we are all done. So here is our molato body milk. And it doesn't need fragrance and it doesn't need preservative, but you can still add preservative using German Plus just to prevent any bacteria from the soap if your containers are not well sterilized. So make sure you add Jama plus preservative, nothing less than 0.5%. So here we go. It helps your skin to glow, it lightens, it's going to give you up to like 3 shades lighter with constant use. So you can see the way it is. So by the time you exfoliate and apply this, use your molato soap, you'll be having an amazing, young and radiant and plumping skin. So